All right, good afternoon, and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Friday, August 16, 2024 is a last trading day of this week, and we wrap up this week with Friday, and we have a beautiful move for today. And we wrap up the week 33, and next week gonna be a 34 week, week 34. And this Friday, the third Friday of the month, so it's have a option expiration of it's standard, you know, option of a standard, option expiration day, and then at the end of the month we have end of month. But the third Friday of every month is the standard one. So, but we see that the Friday in the move is so clean. All right, the CPI data is Wednesday this week. It's behind now, and also the retail data really pushed up the price. Really, make a huge jump yesterday, and today it's just a dozy candle, or it's called hammer candle for that matter. So basically a range day for today. It moving down and up. Beautiful day, price action for today. So the next thing for us, Heimbach news coming is not next week, but the week after next week, which is the last week of August 29 and 30, which is the GDP data and PCE data. Yep, that's economic news for us. And after that, we're gonna go back to the circle, which is the end. It gives me the first Friday of the month. It's gonna be non-farm payroll. So which is Friday, September 6th, right there. And we have September we have holiday also, which is Labor Day. Yeah, here in the US we celebrate the Monday. It's the Labor Day right there. I think that's the holiday. Yeah, exchange holiday right there. So it's the holiday. Okay, so wonderful holiday, Monday. So that means September, the first week, we only have 4 training day. Very interesting. All right, now go to the charts for today. Here's how beauty it is. So we mark the London range at normal, and which is from 2 to 5 right there. And you can see that it is a manipulation move right here. And if you look at this, it's very interesting move. So right here, if we do right here, we see that it's a second leg down. You see that right here is the beauty right here. It's the London move, and after the London, the pre-market right there, and then it moved up to this level of 55.75. So the question for us right here is what? So we question after right here you see that the first move is the down move, then you have a second leg down set up right there, break, reverse, and then it's real break right there. That is the next leg down pattern we see All right, leg down, and then right here is have finished the second leg down, but right here it create a reversal pattern, right? Let's see, it's right here. We have a break, retest from below, and then it retest from below twice right there, and it's reverse. You see that? It's reverse right here. So let's mark the low of this so we can see easier. So the low of this candle is 55.73.50. Okay. So we see that is a break. And what do we do? It break, retest from below, and then it reverse. And look at it, we see that there are, or you can keep at this level also. Yeah, we can keep at that level. It also work. All right. You see test from below right there. What's the low of this? 74.25. Well, you see the equal high right there. The high. Yes, high equal high right there. So it's breaking level with a gap. You see the gap right there. And then it's test from below, and then it reverse. Yeah, it's reverse right here. All right, so if we are in this scenario, are we gonna do what? Are we gonna yes, similar to that. Are we gonna do the right here? Are we gonna a little bit tricky right here? Are we gonna go long right here? Right, it's the reversal gonna go long, or it's gonna be another leg down right there. But we see the pattern. Right, as soon as it break this level, it break this level with a gap or not. Yeah, a little bit tricky, huh? But if we use a Cantor theory right here, all right, this is a setup that it kind of overlap, right? If we at first we look at this level, we saw that it break, it reverse, and then it's a pre-break. So it's a pre-breakout, neck leg down. However, it's the reason why it not follow through because it have the high time frame level right there. It bounce. It's like resistance right there. Basically, it's not enough liquidity to continue to go down. So it bounce right there. It create the liquidity in order to make a neck leg down. How did it do that? Because right here it break, it create a fair value gap right there, and then it bounce back around that level, and we mark the half of the candles, candle run theory right there. You saw that the breakout level right there, right there. So basically, is come back. The two level here, one level right here, and one level down here. So it's break this level is second leg down. However, the next level right here, it create a what? It create a 4 breakout at this level. So it's a little bit confusion right there. It's not clear, but here's the write up that we are come up with. Yeah, here's the write up we come up with. So basically, you have 74, 25. Actually, yeah. Yes, 25, and this one is the 4 breakout at this level. 4 breakout at 75. No, real breakout at 75. We have to fix that. Real breakout at this level. However, it's gonna be a 4 breakout at this level. You see that it tests break and tests from, basically it break and tests from above. It is a reversal type 1 right there at the 25. So 75 and 25, not 25. So let's fix that real quick. Yeah, let's fix this real quick. So basically we have to override this. That's how we override. So basically is the tricky part is it's not on the same level. Alright, so it's a real breakout 55.75. All right, 55.75. All right, 55.75.75, and it creates a fair value gap. You see that, the fair gap right there? Oh, break. Okay, it break at this level. At this 24. 74 is the fair value gap. So yeah, it's will break out that level, and the fair value gap is at the level 55.74, 25. So we have to see the fair value gap. And that will equal a 4 breakout at that level, as you know, 55.74, 25. Hold on. We at that level, you see that 25 right there. So it's break, test from above, and reverse. You see that? So that's the 4 breakout that we're talking about. So 4 breakout at that level, 4 breakout, yeah. But in this case, the reversal is the neck leg down, not a reversal of reversal. So it's a little bit depend on the location. So that's we try to simplify this, but it's not always easy to simplify all of them, because this is a reversal for the neck legs down, right? It's for breakout neck leg down. All right. Yep. that's how we say it. All right, look better, right? Real breakout and paragraph, and then it's going to be before breakout at that level. Create a neckline down right there. Yes. The reason why for breakout, because you have the pattern right there. You have a break, and let's save this for now, and we need to make some change to that verbiage real quick. So we are on the same, well, so we need to add right here. In order to say that if I fall breakout, we need to have what? We need to have break that level, and then you have test, and then you have reverse. All right, so we added this. So basically we have, man, I don't know if our brain can process this, but anyway, you take practice. You have break, right? And then you have what? Break that level. Then you have test. In this case, it's from above, which is a short setup right there. And then you have a what? Then you have reverse. See that? So it's a combination between two setup. It create a very big down move right there. So we have to see that. So basically the note we put right here is for breakout at the level 5574.25, which is right here, right, for breakout at that level. And this is a next leg down. I mean, it's standby itself, it's just a reversal, all right? But in this context, it creates a neckline down, so it's very powerful right there. So basically, you have break, and then you have second one, which is the test or retest from above. And then you have what? You have reverse. So we combine those two setup, we have a neckline down right there. Right, this one, this is called reversal, because you want for breakout and create a reversal of the initial move right there. Yeah, we just a neckline down because it's not reversal, okay? Because most of the time we thought reversal gonna be a trend reversal, but in this case, the trend is downtrend, so a little bit confusion right there. But beautiful that we come up with this setup and verbiage to clear our mind. At first, it's very confusing, but it's gonna be a huge use case study for us right there. So basically, real breakout. Oh, what we call that? Yeah, parallel gap right there. You have to have a parallel gap, so that's the trick right there. In order to this setup work, the first impulse move have to create parallel gap. You see, it have to gap, and from that parallel gap, we're looking for a full breakout at the level that it creates parallel gap right there. Okay, that's how this setup works. All right, the reason why we have to pay attention to this setup, because right down here we have a similar setup, but we're not gonna short them to go long. You see right here, you also have an impulse move right here. You see this impulse move, huge down move. The same right here, you have a huge impulse down move right here. So why don't we go long right here then? You see that? Why don't we go long right there? One of the reasons is that we can use the 20 day or 20 bar moving average right there. It's still not so so far away from the 20-day moving average. But you see this is so far away. That's the reason why this is a rubber band effect right there. You see that it reverse very quick. There's no consolidation right here. But here you see this little bit consolidation right there. It tests from above right there. Let's level. Tests from above. Boom. It can be neck like down. And you see that for here, the downtrend is already established. You see from this down move, it break this key level right here. The downtrend is already established. So that means that right here it's gonna be another leg down right here. So when you see this test from above right there, it short them. However, right here, you see that the trends reverse. You see the parallel gap right here, and you see the parallel gap right here. But this parallel gap, it left, unrevealed until you see the reversal. It feels parallel gap right here, and it come up the first time right here. It feels like a parallel gap, and then it's bow back, retracement, and then boom, make a second leg up right there. So why should we not long right here instead of long right here? You see that? Because this is the end of the trade, end of the trend right there. You see that similar right here. You see the huge impact, huge down move, huge impulse move right there. And the next one is the difference is that this guy have what? This guy is the up close. This guy is down close. You see that's the only difference. Why we believe that right here is reversal. Right here is not reversal. It's not reversal. It create a full breakout right here and then boom. It's make the leg down right there. You see that? And so right here, just mark the mid-range. Right here we mark. Well, we want to see right here. You see that look at the right here. You see the mid-range of this candle move. You see that this guy tests from below that level and then boom, boom is reversed and then it breaks. Sorry, test from below and it break and then boom, it's reversed. But for this, you don't see the test from below. You might see this problem, but boom, it breaks the level with a very conservative very decisive right there. And the next candle for this guy, it is the candle right here is close above, but it's not decisive. It closed with a doji, but this guy closed with an up straight right there. Very strong right there. So that means this reversal. This one is not a reversal. This is gonna be neck laid down right there. So that is one of the critical another factor that we're gonna see. So right here we see the same idea. We see it's break very decisively. It never come back to that level. But you see that it's break to that level. It did, by the way, it did tap to that level. And remember this, how it break the level. Yeah, it tests first and then it break it. This one, it doesn't need tests, it just break it. So it's very strong right there. So it doesn't create a full break area. If it tests, break, and then this one reverse, but it did not. So that's half of that candle, the idea right there. And also the difference is that right here, this is a hanging man, right? It's called hanging man candle, and this one is a hammer. You see that? So that's the reason why this one it marked reversal, and this one does not mark the reversal. Okay, so that's the difference right there. Okay, let's put that so we know. Yep. So it's also the impulse move. Right, you have the impulse move. Yeah, here's another right here. We see that this one is impulse, this one is swap, but this one is a neck leg down. You see the high heel impulse move right there, and the next three candle is what? Is break neck three candle. It fell to close above half of this candle, and we see the fellow gap, huge fellow gap. Okay. Right here the fellow gap very small, but there's huge fellow gap. So it can be a neck leg down. But for here you also have fellow gap. But the trick is that the difference is that they are the same, but the difference that the number two, the next three candle is already break above. Right. But for this right here, we also see the impulse move right there. The next three candle is also close above this. Right, they do have fellow gap, but this fellow gap is not significant. That is another difference right there. And before that, it have a signal of the second leg down, but this one doesn't have any second leg down. So that is also a difference right there. I mean, today the price action is so clear, give us a lot of things to learn. By the way, we did not take any trade for today. We just want to take a day off to rest our mind, to do a review and reflection on ourselves. So end of week. So yeah, we blow we blow up our account. So we have to wait for the next recess. So we just try to step back a little bit right there. So yeah, there are a lot of detail we have to pay attention. And also right here, what make this a retracement? It's beautiful right here. So what is make a retracement? Right here. So at that level, here's the verbiage that we come up. So basically, we see this level, right? Break it and reverse. So it's supposed to be what? It's supposed to be a neck leg down. Is that right? Yeah, you want it a neck leg down. But I actually at this time 11:15 it flipped. It become a 4 breakout at level. It flipped. It go down and it flipped. And that it turned into a real breakout level, and we will a neck leg up right there. And look on the real time. Here's the real time candle right there. You see that? So when we look at this, we thought that wow, it's gonna be a second leg down. You see that? It's test the level, it tests, break, reverse, boom, it start coming down. That means it's gonna be second leg down right there. That's the pattern we see when it tries second leg. However, it flipped. When we see a flip, we know right away that it's gonna be this gonna be just retracement. It's gonna make a second leg up. See that? So if we try to short them, we have to move them into break even right away because it can come back. Because it flipped. Or if we got stop out, we lost, we have to go in and go long right away. That is where we need to learn when we need to go back right away, when we need to wait. And it take experience, take short time right there. See that? Let's see. So it flipped. Amazing right there. You see that? But this allow us to be move our stop loss because it come down. And then you can see boom right there. So if we enter there here and move our stop loss right away, then we got stop out, then we have to get ready and go long. See that? Boom. Well, the mistake we make in the past, wow, so it tests from above, right? So right here it's gonna be make a second, it's gonna be create a what? It will make a it will break the level, but it don't. It have momentum right there. So basically this is a flip candle right there. Supposed to be neck leg down, however it's reversed. Right? It flips into real breakout and second leg up right there. That's the point way to make that. And the target gonna be this buy side liquidity right there. Exactly. Yep. You see that? That's the buy side liquidity right there. That's beautiful right there. If you look, some people say symmetric first leg. Well, we haven't seen any Friday for a long time. We see the Friday have a huge, it does, right? No, that's not this. That's not this too. I think it's this one. It is this one. Yeah, retracement. Okay. Basically, idea is right here, and retracement. Yes. So 100%. Very, very accurate, right? So retracement, first leg, retracement, boom. Target is around there. The London buy side liquidity. It's quite, and some people believe that. They use this for retracement, to make the neck leg up right there to set up the targets. We just want to show you that some people use it. But anyway, thank you for your time and interest. We are always grateful for these opportunities, and we do what we love. Success is coming our way. Bye for now. Have a great evening and a great weekend. See you next week.